Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to download a song from Mureka AI. So first thing is just simply go to their website and make sure to sign in into your account. And after that, go to the create on the left side over here. And from here, just simply go ahead and provide your song title and enter the lyrics. So for now, I'm gonna go the generate random lyrics over here by Mureka AI. And from here, we have a example title and lyrics. So now from here, you will have a section where you could add intro, verse, pre-chorus, and you will have here lyric optimize. And now, once you are done, you could just simply go ahead and provide your reference if you prefer, or you could sing your song with any voice you like over here, and you could describe the music style that you are aiming for. So from here, you could provide the genre, the mood, and the vocal gender as well. So pretty much over here, just simply provide all of the necessary information needed for your music. And once you have created your music, guys, you could just simply go ahead and select over here, create. Now, guys, from here, you will have two options only. You could go for the reference and the vocal, or you could go for the description that you provided. And now, with that said, once you have the sample musics over here, in order for you to download it, just simply select the three dots over here. And from here, you will have download video, you will have download instrumental and stem, you will have download commercial license, or download MP3. So let's say I'm gonna go for download MP3, and from here, guys, you have to avail at least their basic plan, which is $8 a month, and you will have here all of the details on what comes with the subscription. And from here, you can download an MP3 if you subscribe to their basic plan, and you will have over 400 song, and you could do a commercial license for the song as well. And when you go for the pro plan that they have, which is $24 a month, from here you could download the instrumentals, stem audios, and the WAV file, and download the video. So from here, just simply subscribe to each one of them. And from here, just simply provide if it's a yearly or monthly. And if you go for yearly, you will save up to 20%. And from here, guys, you could just simply continue with PayPal or continue with your card. And from here, just simply provide all of the necessary information about your payment details. And once you are done, you could just simply subscribe over here. And right after that, guys, you should be able to download the music. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like, and thanks for watching.